Hello everyone, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and with me these are the extraordinary students who have completed their 30 to 35 days over here. Now they are ready to debate on any topic, and that is why I'm going to give them a very interesting topic. So all the participants, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, recently you have done your basic. Okay, so you have to speak without thinking about your mistakes. I'm giving you a topic which is better to have. Practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge? Practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge, which is better to have? With the help of theoretical knowledge, we can write down in the exam, we can score well, but with the help of practical knowledge, we can start any business, we can do anything. Even the car driving is a part of practical knowledge. I'm not going to explain it much. You have to speak from your own way. Let's see how you are going to speak. Who is going to start?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge because when we do anything in theoretical knowledge, we only learn and read that. When we do it in a practical way, that time we getting nervous.
Okay.
And when we learn anything in a practical way, that time we are doing anything very darefully. That's why I think
So what you think that?
practical knowledge is better.
No, she thinks that practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge. Yeah. What do you think?
I think, sir, theoretical knowledge is best because if you have a theoretical knowledge, you can pass any exam like UPSC exam, MPPSC exam, UPSC exam, mains exam, qualified through the theoretical knowledge.
Theoretical knowledge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
That is why.
tell me, are you doing preparation for any entrance?
Yes, I prepare for MPPSC exam.
That is why.
Yes.
Okay, now she strongly believes that theoretical knowledge is very much important. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think that theoretical knowledge is good. Sir,
Why?
because why we are going to schools? To get a theoretical knowledge, not a practical knowledge.
Okay, that's good point. We are going to school for having
A theoretical knowledge.
theoretical knowledge. Same thing she's saying. Yeah, what do you think?
Sir, I think practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge because if we want to pass a soldier field and
Entrance exam.
and we want to go in field of police officer, so in that not the theoretical knowledge is made in there was practical knowledge is main.
Okay, great. Okay, so you think that practical knowledge is everything?
Yes.
Okay, let's know the opinion of other students. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think practical knowledge is more important because how to use mobile and how to ride a bike, it is a part of practical knowledge. If we cannot do it, so what we can do? Because it is a very
Basic things.
basic things of our life. If we cannot know how to ride a bike or how to use a mobile.
Okay, that's good. Raj, what do you think, brother? Yeah, speak.
I think practical knowledge is necessary for everything and everyone, because without practical knowledge we can't do anything.
Yes.
If we take the example of horse riding,
Yeah.
if I want to ride a horse, so I have to go and ride horse. If someone is tell me theoretically you have to go and sit on the horse and you have to ride like that. I can't be able to do this. So therefore I have to practical knowledge about that, how to ride the horse.
Absolutely. Now he has given the example of horse riding, that one cannot learn horse riding until unless he learns it practically. The same concept apply in swimming. If you have been taught how to swim, and I have given you a book in which you will get all the possible ideas to swim properly, but tell me, can you learn swimming? No, sir. Can you learn swimming with the help of theory? So here the theoretical knowledge fails. We find here that the practical knowledge, until unless you go into water, you cannot swim properly. Let's know the opinion of Gaurav. Gaurav, what do you think, brother?
Sir, I think theoretical knowledge is better than practical knowledge.
Okay.
Because if we do any work, so
Yeah.
before that work we should have theoretical knowledge. After that we can implement this knowledge on the practical basis. Suppose if we talk about our school life, so in school life all of knowledge is practical apart from science, And I think science is also the part of in the we if we talk we see the school. So in the school there is no practical science, and all of this subject social science and Hindi, and it is all of knowledge is theoretical knowledge. And if we talk about a higher education system, so in higher education system all of entrance exam is related the theoretical knowledge. So I think theoretical knowledge is better.
Yeah, Pooja, what do you think?
Sir, I think practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge both are important for a person.
Yeah.
But my point of view is that practical knowledge is important, because if a small children who is 1 year old, then he doesn't know how to read, how to write, then how he run for with the help of practical knowledge he run. He start learning
He starts learning
with the help of practical knowledge.
Right. She thinks that with the help of practical knowledge, he starts learning. Let's know the opinion of other students. Yes. What do you think? Give a mic. Yes.
I think so. Practical knowledge is better because in practical knowledge we understand more.
Yeah.
Just for example, maths. In maths we understand in the practical knowledge.
Okay.
Only seeing formula we are not understand it.
Only by seeing formulas we don't understand. That is a good point. Yes. Yeah. You want to say? I'm coming to you, but here are some speakers. They have left. Yes.
Sir, I think that theoretical knowledge is good because, sir, why did the government open the schools? Sir, government opened the schools because of theoretical knowledge.
Yeah.
Sir, we get the theoretical knowledge in school, in college, but not in anywhere. Sir, I think that the theoretical is better than practical knowledge.
Okay. And now what do you think? Just give a mic.
I think theoretical knowledge is better because people can easily understand theoretical knowledge.
People can easily understand theoretical knowledge. That is why theoretical knowledge is better to have. What do you think?
Sir, I think that practical knowledge is better than a theoretical knowledge because if you keep a child if you send a child to the school,
Yeah.
you will only let him know about theoretical knowledge. So the people will make him jest, and
Yeah.
people do ragging with him. So we should know about our practical knowledge. If the people are what is going out, don't one can jest with you, don't one can take your money. Nowadays there is a fake news, so you have to practical knowledge about that.
Right. What do you think?
Sir, I think theoretical knowledge is better than I think theoretical knowledge is the teacher resolving technology and theory of knowledge, and we have get degrees.
Actually, that's good. Yes. Raj was and Gaurav was saying something. Go.
Before some time, Gitanjali said that mathematics is the part of practical knowledge. So I think before theoretical knowledge, we cannot implement practical. Suppose we have not learned in the formula, so we cannot implement practical. So first of all, we have the knowledge of formula. So it is a part of theoretical knowledge.
It is a part of theoretical knowledge, right.
Someone was saying that in schools we are learning only theoretical knowledge, but it is wrong. In schools there are practical labs are also available. If you want to do something practical, so we can do there easily. And if you take the example of bio lab and for engineering students, there are also labs are available. So they are learning practically. If suppose there is one chemical, so student can't be able to understand which type of chemical is this. They have to understood with practical knowledge.
That's a good point. Yes.
Sir,
Take your mic. Yes. Yeah. Say.
Sir, so without a theoretical knowledge, we can't become anything. Sir,
Yes.
there are so many fields we can use the theoretical knowledge, and if theoretical knowledge will not be so, by that thing we can't go in any field.
Right. Yes. What do you think?
Sir, I want to say that he's saying that by the people's makes gist of us. So by seeing outside, we can't pass our exam, or can get the theoretical knowledge, then we get that all things.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. I have a question to all of you. That if you want to become successful businessman, okay, what you should have? Theoretical knowledge or practical knowledge? Okay, practical knowledge you should have. To start any business, what one is required? Practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge?
Practical knowledge.
Okay, and if you have to pass an exam with good marks, what is required most?
Theoretical knowledge.
Theoretical knowledge. To live a successful life, what we need to require? Both required. Practical along with theoretical. How many of you believe? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you believe that both knowledge is required, both knowledge are required for living a successful life. You all believe?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So everyone, we are going to conclude the topic by saying few lines. I'm going to conclude the topic by saying few lines about this. That it depends on the field. Okay, if you are in market and if you are doing any business, so you cannot run your business properly if you don't have practical knowledge. Right? On the other hand, if you don't have theoretical knowledge, you are not going to score good marks. You are not going to crack any exam if you don't have theoretical knowledge. Because theory preserves the knowledge. When we create any formula, when we create anything, for example, most of you are from Hindi medium, right? So when we started learning English, initially you have been taught formulas, structures. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Why you have been taught these formulas and structure? It was theory actually. And through this theory, we changed this theory into our practical knowledge. Right? So this is the technique through which we actually learn English. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So both knowledge are very much important. We cannot ignore the importance of theoretical knowledge. So it was really nice discussion, everyone. A good clapping for you all guys.